morning, Scooter fam. Today I am going to show you how to change the gear oil on a 139 QMB. This is something that is a routine maintenance type deal. Most people don't do it. I know I've been guilty, but it does need to be done. And then also, especially if you're buying a brand new one, the first thing you want to do is change out all oil, including the rear gear oil, because China packs these things with, I don't even know what it is, but it's bad. So I've got this motor sort of taken apart for other reasons. The clutch is off, the CVT cover is off, etc. But if you look, here's your drain bolt and here's your fill hole on your rear gear. So let's go ahead and remove the drain and drain this sucker out. We'll go ahead and let that drain. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the fill hole while that's draining. Just give it a little bit of air through there so that it drains a little better. Got that loose. Let's spin that out. There's that. And I'm going to walk away for a minute. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch this whole thing drain. I'll be back. All right, we are drained. Let's go ahead and get this drain bolt put back in. Maybe. Turn that TV off. Okay, so got that back in there. Let's go ahead and just snug it up. Good enough, good enough. So I've already taken out the bolt for the fill hole. Pull some of this gasket off so you can see it better. That's where you fill it. And what I do is I just take bottle of gear oil like this and just fill it until it starts to drip out. I'm not going to do that right now because when this video is done, I'm going to be pulling that wheel off, opening up the rear, and showing you how to replace the rear gears. I usually replace them with 4917. Theoretically give you a little bit more top end. But there are several different options for rear gear swaps, and I'm going to get to that next, so stick around.